roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm, deep bass line. Guitar a skank through the morning air. When the road get long, me keep moving. When the night get dark, me look for lights. One love. Morning sun a rise above the hillside. Golden colors spread so high. Me wake up and give thanks today for another chance to find me way. Cool breeze moving through the garden. Bird them singing without burden. Me step outside with humble heart, ready for another brand new start. Me don't know what tomorrow carry, still me walk and never worry. Every lesson from the past help me understand the present. When the road become uncertain, me remember patience important. Keep me word and keep me purpose. Let good actions tell the story. Jah light guide me when the pathway hard to see. Keep some wisdom in me heart. Let good purpose strengthen me. Jah light guide me through the valley, through the rain. When the road get long and winding, give me strength to rise again. Flow, keep compassion in my spirit. Everywhere me choose we go. But one love, one heart. Let the whole world hear this song. Jah light guide me. Keep my feet on solid ground. Hey. Down the village, people moving. Morning market start unfolding. Fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. Neighbors greeting left and right. Fisherman a mend them net. Farmer check the crops them set. Children laughing on the roadway. Everybody start another day. Old man sitting underneath the tree. Him share some words with me. Don't let trouble make you bitter. Let each lesson make you wiser. When you meet somebody hurting, give some patience and some listening. You don't know the road them travel, so show kindness when you meet them. Me carry those words within me, like a rhythm moving with me. Cause the strongest kind of power can be found in understanding. Jah light guide me through the valley, through the rain. When the road get long and winding, give me strength to rise again. Vibration flow, keep compassion in my spirit. Everywhere me choose we go. Oh, oh, oh. One love, one heart. Let the whole world hear this song. Jah light guide me. Keep my feet on solid ground. Farmer plant the seed with patience, trust in nature and the seasons. Rainfall touch the thirsty earth. Tiny leaves begin to birth. Tree roots hold beneath the ground. Branches sway when winds come round. Nature teach we without speaking that good things need time to deepen. Little children by the river watch the water flow and never once say how off it travel far. Another point toward the star. Teachers say keep learning daily. Let curiosity guide you. Dreams can grow when work and patience walk together side by side. Evening pierces the sky with fire. Stars appear as night gets higher. Grandpa tune him old guitar. Sweet melody travel far. Neighbors gather near the doorway, sharing stories from the day. Someone bring a meal fish share. Love and laughter everywhere. Moonlight shine across the water. Night breeze cool the village road. Me look around and count the blessings that no money could ever hold. Family, friendship, simple moments. People choosing to be present. Sometimes peace is not a treasure. It is simply love together. Jah light guide me keep me heart from losing hope. Guide me, give me wisdom when me don't know. If the clouds cover the sunlight, let me remember morning comes. If the road become uncertain, let me breathe and carry on. Carry love, carry peace, carry hope wherever you go. Let the bassline tell the story. Let the good vibration flow. Me walk beside the shoreline, hear the waves keep perfect time. Every wave return to shore, like a promise coming once more. Mountain standing tall and steady, bird them flying free and ready. Ocean teach me how to listen, sky remind me dreams can glisten. So me carry what life taught me, keep good memories beside me. When somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. When somebody feel discouraged, me will remind them hope still matters. Cause the world need more compassion, more respect and understanding. When we lift each other higher, everybody can move farther. Jah light guide me when the pathway I see. Keep some wisdom in me heart, let good purpose strengthen me. Jah light guide me through the valley, through the rain. When the road get long and winding, give me strength to rise again. Oh, oh, oh. Jah light guide me through the valley, through the rain. When the road get long and winding, give me strength to rise again. Jah light guide me, let the good vibration flow. Keep compassion in my spirit everywhere me choose to go. Jah light guide me from the mountain to the sea. One drop rhythm, deep bassline. Guitar scan through the morning air. When the road get long, me keep moving. When the night get dark, me look for light. One love, morning sunrise above the hillside. Golden colors spread so wide. We wake up and give thanks today.
Roots beneath my feet, yeah man. Roots reggae vibration, one drop rhythm rolling slow. Bass line deep like the earth, guitar skank through the morning breeze. Roots beneath my feet, hope inside my heart. One love. Morning sun I touch the mountain, golden light shine like a fountain. Me step outside and feel the ground, hear the birds them all around. Cool breeze whisper through the tree, like it bringing peace to me. Me take a breath and look around, give thanks for this solid ground. Me remember where me come from, every lesson, every old song. Roads may carry me far away, still me know where me roots stay. When the world become confusing, me remember what me choosing. Walk with patience, walk with grace, never lose the starting place. Roots beneath me feet, keep me steady when winds blow. Even when the road get distant, me remember where we go. Roots beneath my feet, let the rhythm keep me strong. Through the sunshine, through the rain, me keep singing my own song. Roots beneath my feet, keep the good vibration near. When the world become uncertain, love can make the pathway clear. road them walking. Money voices started talking, market styles begin unfolding. Fresh food shining in the sunlight. Farmer bring the crops for selling. Fisherman have stories telling. Everybody knows somebody, everybody share community. Old man sitting underneath the tree, him smile and wave at me. Him say, never lose connection with the people on the land. When you know where you come from, you can't face where you are going. Roots don't stop you from moving. Roots give strength to keep you growing. Hey, me carry those words inside me like a drum beat walking with me. Now wherever life may lead me, me remember what it teach me. Roots beneath my feet, let the rhythm keep me strong. Through the sunshine, through the rain, me keep singing me own song. Hey. Roots beneath my feet, keep the good vibration near. When the world become uncertain, love can make the pathway clear. One love, one heart, let the good vibes travel far. Oh, roots beneath my feet, guiding where me are. Farmer plant the seed below, trusting that the rain will flow. Sunshine warm the fertile earth, soon the liquor plant emerge. Tree roots all beneath the ground, branches spread and reach around. Even when the storm winds blow, deep roots at the trees still grow. Little children by the river watch the water flowing. Never one say, I want to travel far. Another point toward the star. Teacher tell them dream and learn, let the curiosity burn. Wherever you decide to roam, keep your values close to home. Evening paints the sky with gold, another day begin to fall. Grandpa tuning more guitar, sweet melody travel far. Neighbors gather by the doorway, sharing food from another day. Hey, children dance upon the grass, laughing as the daylight pass. Me look around and feel the blessing of tradition still remaining. Songs and stories cross generations, carrying memories through the seasons. What we learn from those before us can become alive before us. Roots are not about standing still. Roots give strength to climb the hill. Roots beneath my feet, still me reach toward the sky. Roots beneath my feet, still me let me dreams fly. No matter where the road may lead, remember every little seed. Keep compassion in your heart, keep good values from the start. Carry love, carry peace, carry hope wherever you go. Let the rhythm tell the story, let the good vibration flow. Me walk beside the shoreline, hear the waves keep perfect time. Ocean roll against the sand, mountain rise across the land. Bird them flying through the blue, showing dreams can travel too. Nature teach me every day that strength can grow in quiet ways. Some me carry what life taught me, keep good memories beside me. When somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. When somebody feel discouraged, me will remind them hope still matters. Cause the world needs strong foundations, built from kindness and connection. When we know our roots and values, we can grow toward brighter places. Roots beneath my feet, keep me steady when winds blow. Even when the road get distant, me remember where we go. Oh, roots beneath my feet, let the rhythm keep me strong. Through the sunshine, through the rain, me keep singing me own song.
beside me heart. One love, me walk beside the shoreline, hear the waves keep perfect time. Ocean roll against the sun, mountain rise across the land. Bird them flying through the blue, showing dreams can travel to. Nature teach me every day that strength can grow in quiet ways. So me carry what life taught me, keep good memories beside me. When somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. When somebody feel discouraged, me will remind them hope still matters. Cause the world needs strong foundations built from
Morning come again, yeah man. Roots reggae vibration, one drop rolling through the valley, bassline deep and warm. Bitter as skanking at the morning here, whatever yesterday bring. Morning come again, one love. Night may leave the sky so quiet, still the dawn will slowly light it. First ray touch the mountainside, golden color spread so wide. Me wake up and breathing slowly, feel the cool breeze moving softly. Another day stand before me, another chance to write my story. Me know life can bring surprises, changing roads and changing seasons. Some days easy, some days heavy, still you keep me spirit steady. What is gone cannot be changed, no. What is here can shape tomorrow. So me leave the past behind me, carry wisdom close beside me. Morning come again, like a promise from the sky. Even after long night hours, new light always come alive. Morning come again, let the sunlight touch your face. Open up your heart and breathe, give yourself another chance. Morning come again, let the good vibration flow. Yesterday may have been difficult, still tomorrow have room to grow. One love, one heart, let the whole world sing along. Morning come again, keep your spirit strong. Hey. Gone the village road, them waking, fresh bread and the coffee baking. Market stars begin unfolding, friendly voices start the calling. Fisherman prepare by the water, farmer working with him brother. Children laugh and run together, dreaming underneath the weather. Old woman sitting by the doorway, watching people start them day. She said, never underestimate the strength of simply trying again. A little step can start a journey, a small seed can grow a forest. Don't be afraid to begin slowly. Progress doesn't need to hurry. Me carry those words within me, like a rhythm moving with me. Sometimes all a person need is a reason to believe. Morning come again, let the sunlight touch your face. Open up your heart and breathe, give yourself another chance. Morning come again, let the good vibration flow. Yesterday may have been difficult, still tomorrow have room to grow. One love, one heart, let the whole world sing along. Morning come again, keep your spirit strong. For I'ma plant the seed below, trusting that the rain will flow. Sunshine warm the fertile ground, tiny green leaves come around. Tree roots hold beneath the earth, branches restore new growth. Nature never fear beginning, every season start again. Little children by the river, watch the water flow and never once say the river never stops. Mama said that is its lesson. Keep on moving, keep on learning, even when the road is turning. Every bend can show you something that you never knew before. Afternoon turns soft and golden, clouds above begin unfolding. cross the water. Moonlight shine upon the river. Me sit down and think about how every day can change a person. Every sunrise teach renewal. Every sunset teach reflection. Life is not about perfection, it is learning and connection. Morning come again, so don't give up your song. Morning come again, keep believing and move on. When the rain fall, let it fall. When the clouds come, stand tall. When you don't know what tomorrow bring, keep some hope inside you singing. Carry love, carry peace, carry kindness wherever you go. Let the bassline tell the story. Let the good vibration flow. Me walk beside the shoreline, hear the waves keep perfect time. Every wave return to shore, then another follow more. Mountains standing in the distance, strong and calm through every season. Bird them flying through the sky, showing dreams can travel light. So me carry hope wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. If somebody feel discouraged, me will remind them hope still matters. Cause tomorrow is not written. Every day can bring a difference. One good choice can change a moment. One kind word can lift a spirit. Morning come again, like a promise from the sky. Even after long night hours, new light always come alive. Morning come again, let the sunlight touch your face. Open up your heart and breathe. Oh, give yourself another chance. Morning come again, let the good vibration flow. Yesterday may have been difficult, still tomorrow have room to go. Morning come again, let the good vibration flow. Yesterday may have been difficult, still tomorrow have room to grow. One love, one love, let the whole world sing along. Morning come again, keep your spirit strong. Morning come again, yeah man. Roots, roots, reggae vibration. One drop rolling through the valley. Bassline deep and warm. Guitar skanking on the morning air. Whatever yesterday agreed. Morning come again, one love. Night may leave the sky so quiet, still the dawn will slowly light it. First ray touch the mountainside, golden color spread so wide. Me wake up and breathing slowly, feel the cool breeze moving softly. Another day stand before me, another chance to write my story. Me know life bring surprises, changing route and changing.
Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop rolling through the morning. Bassline deep, guitar scan. Golden light up on the hillside, yeah. Give thanks and move forward. One love. Hey. Golden morning touch the rooftop. Sunshine till the world feel wake up. Cool breeze dancing through the palm tree. Bird them singing naturally. Me rise up with a grateful feeling. Fresh new day, fresh new meaning. Leave yesterday beside the doorway. Walk with courage into today. Me know the road can twist and turn. Every mile have something to learn. Some days bring sunshine and laughter. Some days ask you if you try harder. Still me carry hope within me. Still me trust the journey deeply. No matter where the pathway bend, me keep walking till the end. Golden morning vibration, feel it moving through the air. Open up your heart and notice all the beauty waiting there. Down the village road them waking, fresh bread and the coffee baking. Market woman greet the neighbors, people busy with them labors. Fisherman prepare by the water, farmer working with him brother. Children laughing on the roadway, everybody start another day. Old man sitting underneath the tree, him call me over quietly. Him say, you don't rush your journey, give yourself some room to breathe. Every seed have time for growing, every river have its flowing. What you cannot change today may become clear another day. Me carry those words with me like a rhythm naturally. Sometimes wisdom comes so softly, still it can guide you strongly. Golden morning vibration, let the good vibes fill your soul. Keep your heart full of compassion, keep on moving toward your goal. Golden morning vibration, through the sunshine, through the rain. Every day can bring a lesson, every sunrise start again. One love, one heart, let the rhythm travel on. Golden morning vibration, sing it from dusk till dawn. Farmer plant the seed with patience, trust in nature and the seasons. Rain come down upon the field, soon the earth begin feel. Tree roots hold beneath the ground, branches sway when winds come round. Nothing rush the work of nature, still she go through every season. Little children by the river watch the water flowing, never once say, I want to see the ocean. Another dream of distant places, mama say, keep your imagination. Dream with courage and dedication. Every journey starts somehow, and your future start right now. Afternoon turns soft and golden, clouds above begin unfolding. Guitar sound come from the air, sweet melody travel far. Children dance upon the grass, watching all the daylight pass. Neighbors gather food is shared, simple joy and love are there. Evening breeze begin to settle, moonlight shine upon the water. Me look around and feel the blessing of our community together. Life don't need expensive treasures, fee become a thing worth keeping. Sometimes laughter with good people is the richest kind of feeling. Golden morning, golden light, keep the fire burning bright. If the road become uncertain, take your time and keep observing. If the clouds cover the sunlight, remember morning follows night. Carry love, carry peace, carry up wherever you go. Let the bass line tell the story, let the good vibration flow. Me walk beside the shoreline, the waves keep perfect time. Every wave come to the sun, then return just as it planned. Mountains standing tall and steady, sky above so wide and ready. Bird them flying through the blue, showing dreams can travel too. So me carry gratitude, let it shape the things me do. When somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. When somebody feel discouraged, me will remind them all still matters. Cause the world need more kindness, more respect and understanding. When we choose to help each other, every road become much lighter. Golden morning vibration, feel it moving through the air. Open up your heart and notice all the beauty waiting there. vibration. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop, rolling through the morning. Bassline deep, guitar skank. Golden light upon the hillside. Give thanks and move forward. One love. Golden morning touch the rooftop. Sunshine tell the world to wake up. Cool breeze dancing through the palm tree. Bird them singing naturally. We rise up with our grateful feeling.
Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop, rolling through the morning. Bassline deep, guitar a skank. Golden light up on the hillside. Give thanks and move forward. One love. Hey. Golden morning touch the rooftop. Sunshine tell the world we wake up. Cool breeze dancing through the palm tree. Bird them singing naturally. Me rise up with a grateful feeling. Fresh new day, fresh new meaning. Leave yesterday beside the doorway. Walk with courage into today. Me know the road can twist and turn. Every mile have something to learn. Some days bring sunshine and laughter. Some days ask you if you try harder. Hey, still me carry up within me. Still me trust the journey deeply. No matter where the pathway bend, me keep walking till the end. Golden morning vibration, feel it moving through the air. Open up your heart and notice all the beauty waiting there. Golden morning vibration, let the good vibes fill your soul. Keep your heart full of compassion. Keep on moving toward your goal. Hey, hey. Golden morning vibration, through the sunshine, through the rain. Every day can bring a lesson. Every sunrise start again. Hey. One love, one heart. Let the rhythm travel on. Golden morning vibration, sing it from dusk till dawn. Hey. Now, every village road them waking. Fresh bread and the coffee baking. Back to man greet the neighbors. People busy with them labors. Fisherman prepare by the water. Farmer working with him brother. Children laughing on the roadway. Everybody start another day. Old man sitting underneath the tree. Him call me over quietly. Him say you don't rush your journey. Give yourself some room to breathe. Every seed have time for growing. Every river of its flowing. What take time not change today. Maybe come clear another day. Me carry those words with me like a rhythm naturally. Sometimes wisdom comes so softly. Still it can guide you strongly. Golden morning vibration, let the good vibes fill your soul. Keep your heart full of compassion. Keep on moving toward your goal. Hey, hey. Golden morning vibration, through the sunshine, through the rain. Every day can bring a lesson. Every sunrise start again. Hey. One love, one heart. Let the rhythm travel on. Golden morning vibration, sing it from dusk till dawn. Farmer plant the seed with patience, trust in nature and the seasons. Rain come down upon the field, soon the earth begin feel. Tree roots hold beneath the ground, branches sway when winds come round. Nothing rush the work and nature, still she go through every season. Little children by the river, watch the water flowing ever. One say I want to see the ocean, another dream of distant places. Mama say keep your imagination, dream with courage and dedication. Every journey starts somehow, and your future start right now. Afternoon turns soft and golden, clouds above begin unfolding. Guitar sound come from the yard, sweet melody travel far. Children dance upon the grass, watching all the daylight pass. Neighbors
the water. Me look around and feel the blessing of a community together. Life don't need expensive treasures. We become a thing worth keeping. Sometimes laughter with good people is the richest kind of feeling. Golden morning, golden light, keep the fire burning bright. If the road become uncertain, take your time and keep observing. If the clouds cover the sunlight, remember morning follows night. Carry love, carry peace, carry hope wherever you go. Let the bassline tell the story. Let the good vibration flow. Me walk beside the shoreline, the waves keep perfect time. Every wave come to the sand, then return just as it planned. Mountains standing tall and steady, sky above so wide and ready. Bird them flying through the blue, showing dreams can travel too. Some may carry gratitude, let it share the things me do. When somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. When somebody feel discouraged, me will remind them hope still matters. Cause the world need more kindness, more respect and understanding. When we choose we help each other, every road become much lighter. Golden morning vibration, feel it moving through the air. Open up your heart and notice all the beauty waiting there. Golden morning vibration, let the good vibes fill your soul. Keep your heart full of compassion, keep on moving toward the goal. Golden morning vibration, let the good vibes fill your soul. Keep your heart full of compassion, keep on moving toward the goal. Golden morning vibration, through the sunshine, through the rain. Every day can bring a lesson. Every sunrise start again. One love, one life. Let the rhythm travel on. Golden morning vibrations. Sing it from dusk till dawn. Yeah man, ooh, ooh. Golden morning vibration. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop rolling through the morning. Yeah man, what? Roots reggae vibration. One drop rolling through the morning. Bassline deep, guitar a skank. Golden light upon the hillside. Give thanks and move forward. One love. Golden morning touch your rooftop. Sunshine tell the world feel wake up. Cool breeze dancing through the palm tree. Bird them singing naturally. Me rise up with that grateful feeling. Fresh new day, fresh new meaning. Leave yesterday beside the doorway. Walk with courage into today. Me know the road can twist and turn. Every mile of something feel learn. Some days bring sunshine and laughter. Some days ask you if you try hard.
Yeah, yeah. Sun come up, breeze start blow. Market road come alive. Listen, yeah. Morning breeze comes dancing through the market. Fresh, cool air moving down the road. Wooden stores are opening their shutters. Farmers bringing in another load. Mango shining underneath the sunlight. Pineapple stacked beside the stand. Fresh green vegetables fill the baskets. Everything arriving from the land. A woman ties her colorful lead wrap, then arranges flowers by the side. A young man rolls his little cart forward, while the morning traffic passes by. Breeze blow, sunrise, golden morning in the skies. Voices call, footsteps move, everybody finding their own groove. The morning market breeze keeps blowing through the town, lifting up the little leaves.
is on the way. A fisherman arrives beside the corner, carrying baskets from the sea. A little crowd gathers around him, talking about what the morning brings. An old musician sits beneath an awning, tuning up his guitar in the shade. He plays a simple little rhythm, and the market joins the serenade. Bass rolling, breezes blowing, guitar skanking, morning glowing, drums one drop,
Voices rise.
market rhythm under blue skies. The morning market breeze keeps blowing through the town, lifting up the little leaves and carrying the sound. The morning market breeze feels fresh up on the face, moving through the people as they hurry into place. The morning market breeze, sweet rhythm in the air, fruit, flowers, laughter, and the smell of fresh bread there. The morning market breeze keeps dancing all around, turning one busy marketplace into a living sound. By midday, the market road gets crowded, every corner filled with conversation. Children move between the little stalls there, while the vendors greet their customers. A farmer shows the biggest pumpkin, someone laughs and says it's quite a sight. Another vendor shares a funny story, and the whole stall fills with delight. The guitar player changes to a faster rhythm, people tap their feet against the ground. Even those who came to buy one thing stay a little longer for the sound.
Market breeze.
Keep the good vibes flowing,
Market breeze.
keep the whole place growing.
Fruit so sweet.
Fresh bread warm, everybody welcome in the morning.
Market breeze.
Carry on till the afternoon becomes the dawn. Afternoon sunlight starts to soften, shadows stretching underneath the stars. Some vendors begin to pack their baskets, while the final customers still call. The musician plays one slower number, letting every note drift through the air. A few people gather close around him, sharing one last peaceful moment there. The market road begins to empty, but the breeze keeps moving through the trees. It carries bits of conversation far beyond the old marketplace. Breeze don't ask where it is going,
Still it finds another place.
music doesn't need permission.
It can travel without a name.
Every morning brings a new beginning.
Every road has sounds to share.
Sometimes all you need to feel alive is a little rhythm in the air. Evening comes across the quiet market, last few baskets carried toward the homes. The wooden stalls are closed and resting, while the golden sunlight leaves the road. A few flowers remain beside the corner, moving gently in the evening breeze. The musician packs away his guitar, then walks beneath the mango trees. Tomorrow morning when the sun comes rising, fresh new sounds will fill the street again, and the market breeze will start its journey, moving through the people like a friend. The morning market breeze keeps blowing through the town, lifting up the little leaves and carrying the sound. The morning market breeze feels fresh upon the face, moving through the people as they hurry into place. The morning market breeze,
Sweet rhythm in the air.
fruit, flowers, laughter, and the smell of fresh bread. The morning market breeze
Keeps dancing all around.
turning one busy marketplace into a living sound.
Stars glow.
Footsteps fade,
The sun goes down.
but the breeze keeps moving
Through the trees.
across the road
Past the houses.
into the night. And tomorrow morning, the market will find its rhythm again.
fresh morning rising. Let the mountain rhythm play. High up on the mountain when the morning wakes, mist is floating softly through the trees. Sunlight finds a pathway through the branches, while the cool wind moves with gentle ease. Little houses rest along the hillside, smoke rising slowly from the roofs. A narrow road is winding through the valley, following wherever the green hills choose. Birds are singing from the tallest branches, echoes traveling down the mountainside. Every sound becomes a part of morning, as the first warm sunlight spreads wide. Breeze blow, clouds move, mountain finding its own groove. Sunrise, sky clear, fresh new morning coming near. The mountain breeze keeps blowing through the trees, cool and gentle like the whisper of the sea. The mountain breeze keeps dancing through the air, carrying the morning everywhere. The mountain breeze, let it touch your face, moving with the rhythm of a peaceful place. The mountain breeze, wild and free, bringing fresh life from the hills to the sea. A farmer walks along the hillside pathway, carrying tools toward the garden ground. He stops beside a little stream below him, listening to the peaceful water sound. A child sits beneath an old banana tree, watching clouds move slowly overhead. A goat wanders through the nearby grassland, while a rooster calls from up ahead. Someone plays a guitar near the doorway, soft chords floating through the morning air. The breeze picks up the little melody, then carries it beyond the valley there. Bass rolling, breezes blowing, guitar skanking, morning glowing, drums one drop, clouds move free, mountain rhythm, wild and green. The mountain breeze keeps blowing through the trees, cool and gentle like the whisper of the sea. The mountain breeze keeps dancing through the air, carrying the morning everywhere. The mountain breeze, let it touch your face, moving with the rhythm of a peaceful place. The mountain breeze, wild and free, bringing fresh life from the hills to the sea. By midday the clouds are sitting lower, casting shadows on the valley floor. Sunlight breaks across the distant hillside, making every green leaf shine once more. A traveler stops beside the mountain road now, taking in the view before he goes. Below him, little rooftops fill the valley, while the river winds through fields below. He hears the distant sound of children laughing, then a bird flies across the open sky. For a moment he forgets about the journey, standing quietly beneath the wide blue sky. Mountain breeze, keep the cool air flowing, mountain breeze, keep the green hills growing. Clouds roll by, sun shines through, every mountain view feels new. Mountain breeze, strong and free, carrying the heartbeat of the valley. Afternoon begins to turn toward evening, golden light appearing on the stone. Farmers slowly make their way back homeward, following the pathway they have known. The guitar plays from a distant doorway, mixing with the sound of evening birds. The breeze moves through the tall grass gently, like a song without a single word. Clouds turn orange near the mountain summit, long shadows stretch across the land. The valley looks completely different, bathed in colors soft and warm. High above the busy roads below, there is a place where time can slow, where the wind can speak without a voice, and the quiet makes your heart rejoice. You don't need to chase every moment, you don't need to know
breeze clear your head. Nada. And let the breeze clear your head. Nada. Night arrives across the mountain village. Stars appearing brighter than before. Small lanterns shine beside the houses, while the cool wind moves from door to door. The river below reflects the moonlight, silver winding through the sleeping land. The last guitar note fades into the distance, and the night becomes completely calm. But high above the valley, winds keep moving, passing through the branches one by one. They carry pieces of the evening with them until the darkness meets the morning sun. The mountain breeze keeps blowing through the trees, cool and gentle like the whisper of the sea. The mountain breeze keeps dancing through the air, carrying the morning everywhere. The mountain breeze, let it touch your face, moving with the rhythm of a peaceful place. The mountain breeze, wild and free, bringing fresh life from the hills to the sea. Clouds drift, stars shine, lanterns glow, the valley sleeps, but the mountain breeze keeps moving through the trees, across the hills, down toward the river, and into the morning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Night breeze blowing, moon high above. Take the long road, let the rhythm guide you. Oh, yeah. Moonlight shining on the dusty pathway, silver shadows falling from the trees. Quiet houses sleeping by the roadside, curtains moving gently in the breeze. A small lantern hangs beside a doorway, giving golden color to the ground. Far away a little dog is barking, then the village settles back down. Palm trees make a pattern in the moonlight, their leaves dancing softly overhead. The road stretches toward the distant hillside, while the stars shine brightly there instead. Moonrise, stars glow, cool night breeze begins to flow. Road long, sky wide, let the rhythm be a guide. The moonlight road keeps shining through the night, silver dust beneath the pale moonlight. The moonlight road keeps winding through the trees, moving with the rhythm of the midnight breeze. The moonlight road, take it slow tonight, every little shadow has a different kind of light. The moonlight road keeps calling from afar, following the pathway underneath the stars. A traveler walks along the quiet road now, small bag hanging from his shoulder side. He hears the river somewhere in the valley, moving with the moonlight like a guide. A wooden bridge appears around the corner, moon reflecting softly on the stream. He stops and watches little ripples, making patterns like a moving dream. Then a night bird calls from deep in forest, another answers from the hill. The traveler smiles and keeps on walking, while the whole wide valley becomes still. This rolling night is calling, guitar skanking, moonlight falling, drums one drop, stars shine bright.
a few small insects passing by. A distant house is one light in the window, warm and steady on the hillside there. Someone inside is still awake and waiting, while the night moves quietly everywhere. The traveler hears the sound of music, soft guitar floating from the home. He follows where the melody is going, no longer feeling like he walks alone. Moonlight road, keep the cool breeze flowing. Moonlight road, keep the night lights glowing. Stars above, river low, every step tells where we go. Moonlight road, strong and free, nighttime rhythm underneath the tree. The guitar grows louder near the doorway, and a small gathering sits outside. Someone plays a gentle reggae rhythm, while the moon moves slowly through the sky. People greet the traveler with a smile now, making space beside a wooden chair. No one asks him where he started walking, they just share the music in the air. The road behind him disappears in darkness, but the music makes the evening bright. Sometimes strangers meet along a journey and become companions for a night. Every road has its own story, every night has something new. You may start by walking lonely, then find friendly hearts waiting for you. Don't be afraid of distant pathways, don't be scared when roads divide. Sometimes one small turn can lead you to a place where good things hide. Near midnight the gathering gets quieter, one by one the people let inside. The guitar rests beside the doorway, while the moon continues shining white. The traveler thanks them for the music, then returns toward the moonlit road. The same cool breeze moves through the branches, and the river keeps its gentle flow. Behind him one small lantern keeps on glowing, ahead the stars illuminate the way. He walks beneath the peaceful nighttime sky, knowing he can find another dawn. The moonlight road keeps shining through the night, silver dust beneath the pale moonlight. The moonlight road keeps winding through the trees, moving with the rhythm of the midnight breeze. The moonlight road, take it slow tonight, every little shadow has a different kind of light. The moonlight road keeps calling from afar, following the pathway underneath the stars. Moonlight road quiet, river flow, stars bright. One step, then another. The eastern sky begins to change. The moon starts fading, morning starts arriving, and the long road continues beyond the hill, where the night ends. Another journey begins. Another journey begins.
Yeah, yeah. Clouds rolling, rain start fall. Let the rhythm play, no worries at all. Dark clouds gather over the village, cool breeze moving through the trees. First raindrops land upon the rooftop, then the rain comes falling with the breeze. People hurry underneath the awnings, carrying their baskets from the road. Children laugh and watch the water running, turning little pathways into streams. A farmer closes up the garden gate now, then stands beneath the shelter for a while. Rain is washing dust away from everything, leaving every rooftop clean and bright. Rain falls, drums knock, water
kitchen and the laughter starts to fill the room. An old musician carries out his guitar, sits beside the window watching rain. He finds a simple chord beneath the thunder, then begins a slow and easy refrain. Outside, the puddles grow along the pathway, drops are jumping from the leaves above. Nobody's worried about the weather, everybody feels the peacefulness. Bass rolling, rain is falling, guitar skanking, thunder calling. Drums one drop, water run, clouds above, cool breeze come. The rainy day rhythm keeps falling down, making music all across the town. The rainy day rhythm steady and sweet, little drops dancing underneath your feet. The rainy day rhythm on the zinc rooftop, top, top, topping, and it never wants to stop. The rainy day rhythm, cool and free, bringing life to every flower and tree. A little stream appears beside the garden, carrying leaves along the roadside bend. The rain keeps falling from the branches while the clouds roll slowly overhead. A bird sits quietly beneath a palm leaf, waiting for the weather to move on. Then a ray of sunlight breaks the darkness and the village starts to glow again. Water drops are shining on the flowers like tiny diamonds underneath the sky. The children run outside when rain gets lighter, laughing as the puddles splash nearby. Rainy rhythm, keep the water flowing. Rainy rhythm, keep the green life growing. Drops come down, rivers run, clouds give away to morning sun. Rainy rhythm, cool and bright, turning cloudy days into delight. Afternoon arrives with softer showers, clouds becoming thinner in the west. The farmer walks back toward the garden, checking every plant that got some rain. Fresh green leaves are standing up together, flowers open slowly to the light. The river carries more water than before now, moving gently through the valley wide. The musician steps outside his doorway, playing one more song beneath the sky. The road is wet and shining in the sunlight, while small clouds continue drifting by. Rain don't stay forever, clouds don't own the sky. Every storm can pass away and sunshine will arrive. So when the heavy drops are falling, listen closely to the sound. There is music in the water, there is beauty all around. Evening comes with coolness from the rainfall, fresh air moving through the open doors. The wet road reflects the sunset colors, golden light appearing on the floor. The village smells of earth and flowers, while the last few raindrops touch the leaves. People sit outside beneath the rooftops, talking softly in the evening breeze. The musician plays a gentle melody, and the rain becomes a distant sound. Everything feels fresh and new together as the night begins to settle down. The rainy day rhythm keeps falling down, making music all across the town. The rainy day rhythm steady and sweet, little drops dancing underneath your feet. The rainy day rhythm on the zinc rooftop, top, 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 topping, and it never wants to stop. The rainy day rhythm, cool and free, bringing life to every flower and tree. Rain slows, clouds open, the road begins to shine. One bird sings, then another answers. The river keeps moving, flowers lift their heads. And somewhere beyond the village, the evening sun appears.
the whole world singing.